Hi, this is Tom from Coherent Logic, and today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how to build a query using the new Coherent Logic queryBuilder for the Quandl Web Services API. So we have here an integration test where behind the scenes we have the Spring Framework already configured. We're going to use the application context to get an instance of the queryBuilder. And if you take a look at this URL here, what we did in Firefox was we executed that URL, we redacted the API key, but this is what the response looks like. This is what Quandl will return to you. And we need to transform this into an object model. And our object model is already determined. All we need to do is build up the query and execute it. And let's try to do that now. So we need a QuandlResponse. We'll call that result. We used a queryBuilder. And we'll call datasets. And we're going to pass it EOD and HD. So we'll do EOD. And the code is HD. Okay, so that takes us up to here. The next thing we need to do is call the .data method. That will give us this. And then finally, we will set the API key, and that's already being loaded in the setup for this integration test. And then finally, we're going to doGetAsQuandlResponse, and that's it. So that will give us a Quandl response, and then all we'll do is print it out. There we go. So there's a single result from the Quandl Web Services. I converted into an instance of the Coherent Logic Quandl Client API domain model. And we can scroll over and see some of that data. So that's it, and thank you for your time. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll get you an answer. And last but not least, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's always appreciated.